So Naenka sent this bone conduction headphones called Runner Pro. This is going to be exciting since I haven't tried one of these yet, and I'll be happy to share my experience with you guys. As per usual, we'll check its physical overview, features, do some mic tests, and more. We'll tell you everything you need to know coming up. So what do we get inside the box? The bone conduction headphones itself, obviously. A silicone cord, so I'll be showing you how this works later on, so don't worry. A magnetic charger cable with USB-A at the other end, earplugs for some reason, and the user's manual. Now let's check out some physical overview. So the build is all plastic, at least for the outer shell part, since I feel some metal inside. According to their website, it is a flexible titanium alloy. It is more like a plastic, it's just the outer shell, and everything else inside is made out of titanium alloy. Well, this is true since the build is very sturdy and heavy. The plastic shell has a rubberized material coating which helps grips on your head firmly. It has an ergonomic design and this part sits on your ears nicely. On the left side, we have the Naenka logo name and some specs info on the other side. On the right side is where we can see the inline control with the volume up and down and the power on and off. On the other side is where we can see the magnetic charging port, wherein you don't really have to worry about placing the charger correctly since it will sit accordingly. On the right side is where we can also see the built-in microphone, and the two round thing over here is the one that vibrates and produces sound. Before we move on to the features, let me just show you how the silicone cord works. You need to place it like this and also on the other side like so, and this will actually help the headset tighten on your head a little bit. I guess that's all. Now let's move on to the features. So the Naenka Runner Pro is a bone conduction headphones which transmit audio through your cheekbones instead of air. It has a 230 mAh battery that needs 2 hours to fully charge, and you can play music up to 6 hours straight. This is a plug-and-play kind of headphones and it doesn't have any app integration of any kind. You can connect it via Bluetooth and it has a distance of 10 meters from your device. This headphones also is waterproof with IPX8 rating. For those of you who doesn't know what IPX8 means, well, IPX8 rating is for devices that are able to withstand being submerged in water. So you can actually use these headphones while swimming. Obviously, you can't bring your mobile phone with you, and this is where the built-in 8GB storage comes in. You can just place your favorite music in its storage. Just use your PC or laptop to transfer your music files and you are good to go. I guess that's all that there is, but if you want to know more, just check this out and pause the video. Now let's talk about the sound quality. So this is very much different from any normal headphones since we are hearing the sound coming from the vibration of the headphones itself. So there is no way that I can record and let you guys hear it. So basically you just have to trust my judgment. The high frequency is very clear, the mids is nicely level, but the bass is so-so. Not in a bad way because the more you play bass-driven music, the bass part vibrates so much on your cheekbones, making it feels weird. And I think this is the best way or the only way to deliver music through this technology. All I can say is this is one of the most unique experience you could ever have. It might not be for everyone, but I really like it, especially on certain occasions during working out or swimming. I highly recommend these headphones to anyone who is traveling a lot, especially those who are driving, since you can hear clearly what's happening around you without having interference in your hearing senses, which is your ears. What I mean by that, it's more like your body is multitasking. Basically, your cheekbones are the ones doing the music listening and your ears are the one listening to the environment. Though you can still do this in an open back headphones, but there will still be interference since you are using your hearing sense, which is your ears. But for the bone conduction headphones, there is zero interference. I'm not sure if this makes any sense, but you'll understand what I mean if you try one of these headphones. And for that reason also, I think I'll give this a 7.8 out of 10 for its sound quality. Now before we talk about the microphone quality, let's test it out first.
So this is the sound of the built-in microphone of the Naenka Runner Pro bone conduction headphones connected via Bluetooth. Check 1 2 3 4 sound check mic test 1 2 3 4. Let me know in the comment section below if you like what you're hearing.
Okay, so first of all, the noise cancellation is too aggressive, making some of your words difficult to understand at the other end of the line. It seems like the noise cancellation is set to level 10, if there is such level, and I think lowering it to level 5 or 4 will fix this. Though the mic audio is fine for casual conversation, I don't think it is tolerable for some people.
It's actually raining right now, so you should be hearing some drops of rain, but you can't really hear it because the noise cancellation is just too aggressive. So this is the sound of the headset's mic connected to my iPhone via Bluetooth. Check 1 2 3 4. Sound check mic test 1 2 3 4.
So for the built-in microphone, I think I'll give this a 4.9 out of 10. Now let's talk about comfort. It is ergonomic and actually sits nicely on your head. Having nothing on your ears while listening to music is actually a nice feeling. The rubberized texture feels good on the skin, and the entire headphones embraces your head tightly, but not to the point that it will hurt. The headphones is a bit heavy, but honestly, I think I could wear this for 2 hours straight without any problem. So for the comfort quality, I think I'll give this an 8.7 out of 10. Now let's talk about the build quality. With its titanium alloy body covered with rubberized texture material, I think the headphones will last long. If there is anything that will degrade first, it will be the charging port, since sweat will constantly be on it, and if you use these headphones for swimming without wiping it afterwards, it will most likely degrade fast, so make sure you follow the care and cleaning guide in the manual. For the build quality, I think I'll give this a 9.2 out of 10. Now let's move into the conclusion and let's talk about the things that I like and don't like about the headphones. The only thing that I don't like about the headphones is the built-in microphone. The noise cancellation level is just too much. It's just like you're eating your own words while using it. This could actually be fixed if there is an app integration or a physical button wherein you can set the level of noise cancellation. Though the good thing is that the vibration noise is not being picked up by the built-in microphone, and that might be the one reason why the noise cancellation level is too much. Now let's talk about the things that I like about the headphones. First of all, the IPX8 rating feature. Can you just imagine listening to music using these headphones while swimming? I really want to try this out underwater, but I can't go to any swimming pool right now because of the weather. Another reason is that there are no pool resort around my area, so yeah, perhaps in the summer I'll try it out and might do an update video about these headphones. Also, because of that feature, you won't really need to worry about sweating because the headphones is waterproof. I also love the fact that you are listening to music through your cheekbones. The feeling is a bit weird, but fascinating at the same time. I like that the build is very sturdy and you won't really have a problem if you drop it by accident. The sound is good and unique, Bluetooth connection is stable, it has a long battery life with a built-in storage for your music files. All I can say is that this is one awesome technology that everyone should have. So if you'll ask me if I'll recommend this, well, that is a resounding yes, especially if you are an outdoor person and wants to listen to music while not disregarding what's happening around you. This is actually a good piece of a very unique headphones that you should own. If you want to grab one for yourself today, make sure you visit the links in the description, and if you think this is not for you, you should just watch the other headphone reviews we have on your screen. So that's it guys, this is Mac, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.